Alright guys, so it's finally time to start wet sanding and polishing this bumper. And I kind of already know that it's not really going to match. I'm going to see what I can do just wet sanding and polishing this out. So let's get going on it. Alright, so as you guys saw, I did a little test area right here to see what it would look like. So let's continue on with the rest of this bumper. So I'm just about to polish up this front bumper with the drill. I have a little pad and polish for it. So I'm going to polish this thing up, take it out, get some shots. So here's what it looks like, the finished bumper on the car, all polished up.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
So the final result may not be perfect, but I did learn a lot from the process. The painting process, it's a lot of prepping, sanding, all that kind of bodywork stuff. So I really took this as more of a learning experience instead of just a final result, because I could have gotten this professionally painted, and I chose not to, just to see what was involved. I still might get it professionally painted to make it look good, because pretty much I learned that I can't paint, which is, I don't know, maybe I'll get better at it someday and I'll be able to do it myself, but right now I learned a lot here, but I still don't think it's enough to create a good product, at least with spray paint cans. So that's about it for this video. There's the new bumper on the car. I really like the design. I like the two-tone color. A little bit disappointed that the match wasn't as good, but I don't know, stuff like this happens. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and this new bumper install, and I'll see you in the next one.